What happened today was that the judge, Mr. Justice Mark Warby, decided that Meghan's friends can remain under seal, their identities not disclosed to the general public at the moment. Of course, their witness evidence is going to be key to this case, because part of it is that they are said to have curated an attack against Thomas Markle through the pages of People magazine, but they were confidential sources at People magazine. The key element here is if Thomas Markle was the subject of an attack, he was then entitled to reply to that attack. If he was not part of an attack, then in those circumstances he wasn't. So the judge has effectively delayed the decision about whether or not to name these witnesses who are known to the court and to the parties. They're just not known to the general public. And in normal course, we have a thing called the open justice principle. That is, that what goes on in our courts is public and should be open to public scrutiny. And we've deviated from that for today, but I'm not sure that we will deviate from that at the trial.
Questions?
Thank you.
Can I get you both to look into the camera here for me? That's great. Look this way, please. A couple more looking here. Nice big smiles. Don't think of the sleepless nights.
The case really is around whether or not Meghan, through her friends, curated an attack on Thomas Markle. And if they did, he was entitled to respond by giving the letter or extracts of the letter to the Mail on Sunday. So the key evidence here is going to come from Meghan and also her friends. And by keeping them anonymous, there is a question about whether or not they will be compelled to give evidence in court about whether or not they had conversations with Meghan about leaking the information to People magazine. So it is pretty central to the determination which Mr. Justice Warby, who gave the judgment today, has got to give ultimately when the trial comes on, either in December or January later this year or next year.
Twice in the year, so we're hoping we'll be able to keep up this pace.
Last time we did this whole circle was full of... Well, yeah, it was very much by that high.